How do I treat leaves curling upward on pepper tomato plants? Curling leaves on your tomato or pepper plants can present quite a problem. In the case of tomato plants, curling leaves are rarely indicative of a larger problem. If your pepper plant's leaves are curled, however, examine the plant carefully. Tomato plants. Cool, rainy weather can cause tomato plant leaves to curl. This does not affect the growth or fruit production, and you do not need to worry about treatment. Herbicides can also cause tomato plant leaves to curl. The plant can recover with plenty of regular watering. Pepper plants. A virus called mosaic virus causes pepper plant leaves to curl and turn yellow. The plant becomes stunted, and the fruit deforms. The best control for mosaic virus is to destroy the affected plants and wash your hands thoroughly before handling other plants in your garden. Pepper plant options. To combat mosaic virus in your pepper plants, you can grow resistant varieties. Some breeds to try include Blushing Beauty, Spanish Spice, and Garden Salsa. Aphids carry mosaic virus from plant to plant, so controlling aphids can assist you in controlling the virus.